Hello, welcome to our podcast today. I'm Kita.
And I'm Anin. Today we're going to talk about two types of tense in English that are often confused, namely simple present tense and simple past tense.
That's right, Anin. Many people find it difficult to distinguish when to use simple present and when to use simple past. So let's start with simple present tense.
Simple present tense is used to narrate actions that are happening right now or to describe habits. For example, Jaehyun practiced the dance every day. That means he practiced every day.
Exactly, and we can also use simple present to express a current feeling or state. For example, I feel sad. Joshua has cupcakes. This show the feeling that is being experienced right now.
Well, there is a formula we can use for simple present tense. For positive sentence, we can use subject plus verb or verb plus s or es for single subject. For example, she eats an apple.
That's right. For negative sentence, we use do not or does not before the verb. For example, Jonghan does not want to share the cupcakes.
And for questions, we can start with do or does. For example, do you know how to make good cupcakes?
Very good. Now let's move on to the simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to describe events that have happened in the past. For example, Mingyu entered a singing contest.
Yes, and we can also use the simple past to describe someone's feeling about a past experience. For example, Mingyu was proud of his singing victory.
For the simple past tense, the formula is slightly different. For positive sentence, we use the second form of subject plus verb. For example, Fernand cooked ramen yesterday.
And for negative sentence, we use did not before the past verb. For example, Mingyu did not brag too much about his singing skills.
For question in the simple past tense, we start with did. For example, did Mingyu win the gold medal finally?
That's right. And if we use the verb to be, we can say were people asking a lot of questions.
Very clear, Anin. So to summarize, simple present tense is used for actions that are ongoing or habitual, while simple past tense is used for events that have already happened in the past.
Exactly, Kita. Hopefully, our discussion today will help our listeners understand the difference between these two tenses.
If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us. See you in the next episode.
See you soon, everyone.
Oke, kesimpulan dari dialog tersebut adalah simple present tense digunakan untuk menyatakan tindakan yang sedang berlangsung saat ini, menggambarkan kebiasaan atau rutinitas, mengungkapkan perasaan atau keadaan saat ini. Contohnya, untuk kalimat positif, she eats an apple. Untuk kalimat negatif, Jonghan does not want to share the cupcakes. Untuk kalimat tanya, do you know how to make good cupcakes? Untuk kalimat past tense digunakan untuk menyatakan tindakan atau peristiwa yang sudah terjadi di masa lampau, menggambarkan perasaan atau pengalaman di masa lalu. Contohnya, untuk kalimat positif, Fernand cooked ramen yesterday. Untuk kalimat negatif, Mingyu did not brag too much about this singing skill. Untuk kalimat tanya, did Mingyu win the gold medal fairly? Untuk perbedaan utama adalah waktu kejadian. Untuk simple present tense untuk masa kini atau kebiasaan. Nah, untuk simple past tense untuk peristiwa yang sudah berlalu atau masa lampau. Dialog ini bertujuan membantu pendengar memahami perbedaan antara kedua tense tersebut dan memberikan rumus serta contoh yang jelas. Sekian, terima kasih.